In this video I'll show you how to buy Ripple XRP on crypto.com. I'll show you how to buy it with a market order, with a limit order and with a recurring buy. Let's start with market order. Market order means buying XRP right now at this price. Once you're on the home page, click on the buy button here, and here click on search and type XRP. Click on XRP. And here you can choose either a specific amount of XRP you want to buy or a specific amount of money you want to put in. So let's say I want to buy 50 XRP. I'll type 50. It will tell me that I'll spend $111. Or I can choose a specific amount of money I want to put in. So to change, click on this button. And let's say I want to buy $100 of XRP. I'll type 100. It will tell me that I'll get 44.9 XRP. Next is how you want to pay for your XRP. So here you can pay with the money in your spot wallet. If you don't know how to deposit money on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. Or you can also pay with a credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard. Whatever payment method you want to choose. Once everything is done, click on the blue buy button at the bottom. And you'll see your XRP here under accounts and then overview and then crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy XRP on crypto.com with a limit order. So click on the three lines here in the top left corner. Click on limit order. Limit order means buying XRP at a specific price. So you will not buy XRP right away, but you'll need to wait for XRP to reach that specific price. So here click on buy, the blue button in the bottom left corner. Here click on search and then type XRP. Click on XRP. Here first thing is you need to choose the price at which you want to buy XRP. So right now one XRP is 1.95 euros. Let's say I want to buy XRP at 1.90. So I'll click here and I'll type 1.90. Then you need to choose the amount of XRP you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 10 XRP. I'll click here and I'll type 10. It will tell you that you'll need to spend 19 euros. Next is again the payment method. So how you want to pay for your XRP. So you can either choose to pay with the money in your spot wallet or your cash account, or you can also choose to pay with a credit card or debit card. Whatever payment method you want to use, click here on the blue button at the bottom and you'll see your order here. Keep in mind that you will not buy XRP right away, but you'll need to wait for XRP to reach the price you've set. And once XRP reaches that price, crypto.com will automatically buy XRP and you will see it here again in accounts and then overview and crypto. Now I'll show you how to set up a recurring buy. Recurring buy means buying XRP every so often. So here click on the three lines in the top left corner. Click on recurring buy. Here it will tell you set up periodic crypto purchase. Click on set up recurring buy. Here click on search, type XRP and click on XRP. Now here you need to choose the amount of money you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in $50 every single buy. I'll type $50. And then you need to choose the frequency. So click here and here you can choose to buy daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Let's say I want to buy daily. I'll click on daily. I'll click on confirm. And here you will see that repeat on is disabled because you will buy every single day. But if you change it to, let's say, weekly and click on confirm, repeat on will be enabled. So here you can choose the day you want to buy XRP. So let's say I want to buy XRP every single Sunday. I'll click on Sunday. I'll click on confirm and then you need to choose again the payment method. So here where it says pay with, click on select. And you can choose to pay with either credit card or debit card, crypto wallet, so the USDC in your wallet, or cash account, so the money, the fiat in your cash account. Whichever payment method you want to choose, click here and then click on confirm. And then once everything is set up, click on the blue button here at the bottom that says confirm schedule, and Crypto.com will automatically start buying XRP based on the setup you've just done.